Well, YouTube land, very loud here today, but yeah, new project while we wait for more to get done. This is a 2000 F150 long bed. Got it for 700 bucks. As you can tell, she's missing her cats already, which is unfortunate, but it happens with some of these auction cars. But she's remarkably solid for the most part, to that one corner of the bed. And dirty as shit on the inside. AC doesn't work, unfortunately. Oh shit, fingers in the front of the ones there. We'll work on that. I'm gonna replace this seat, definitely. But she's going up for sale in the near future. I don't gotta do much. She's old enough to have antique plates. She got surprisingly good tires. This doesn't match, but whatever. We'll work on that. All we gotta do is clean her up. She is powered by the, she's not a V8. Well, what's it, a 4.2? I think she has on there. Radio doesn't work. AC doesn't work. The battery might not work, but we'll find out more. But she is running smooth though. Full tank of reservoir. How old is Die Hard? Doesn't say a date, but made in Spain. Useless information. Well, let's see if the headlights work. She is rocking, damn. I can't even tell. Her display's out, apparently. But 217, let's go with that. Headlights on. Alright, we got one. We got one plate light. We got two plate lights. Oh yeah, her battery's fried. Look at the flashing bulb. She idles like no issue, but when she's running, trying to get under her own power, she's a little lagging behind. So I'm pretty sure it's just from the bad battery. Which means the alternator is doing great right now. So, we're good on that one. Brake fluid reservoir is full. Our injector oil's old, but it's good. She might need some coolant. Check on that later. She had her cats cut off, again, like I mentioned. But, yeah, I can do about that one right now. She might just get straight piped. She's old enough. A little moisture. What's this? Wow, look at that color difference. It's been there forever. We're rocking manual crank windows. Slide this bad boy back. Manual bench seat. I might put a dual bucket because that's a little bit better, I find. Definitely gotta clean that dash. Does not work, period. But the lights do. But overdrive. Yeah, can't see anything with that. Levels are good though. Oh, she mean. Oh, she's very mean. I like that. says service engine soon lights on, but I'm not seeing that yet. That's probably just for the cats, though. Because again, she's missing them. But we know that the windows work at least. Because, well, they're manual. You can't really break these things without really trying to. But anyway, wait, does the horn work? The horn is terrible. Oh my god. Sad horn. Alright, alright. Oh. Let's put you back on there. But yeah. Unit, I love these little tags they put on here. 239. And she goes forward, she goes back. She just needs a good cleaning. And some decal removing. However, I can already tell by the paint fade that it's going to have an outline forever. I mean, $700, you can't really go wrong. That tire could use replacing, but it still has plenty of tread on it. Bed cleaning, that tire is definitely good. Let's see if we can pinch the battery. Guys talking to me over there. Well, yeah. Gotta figure out how many cats are cut out of her, though. Yeah, I'll figure that out later. But anyway, guys, figure I'd show her off for a second. Maybe I won't put a hood on her. Does the sprayers work? Now I'm curious. Okay, I get to blast that one later. Oh yeah, she's mean. I like her. She's only a 6-banger. But hell, she'll do good. Might leave that. Let's see if we can get this. Oh wow, she's, yeah. Most of this filth's just dirt on her. Let's see, did that do anything? Nope. I'm gonna have to do some more figuring. What do we say here? 217 runs rough. Bullshit. She just does not have. Yeah, that's correct. She just has no cats and a shitty battery. Good. I'm gonna verify it myself right now. Turn her off. Oh yeah, that battery's toast. Alright guys, me and the 239 are gonna go and do some things later on. Thanks for watching. Well guys, she's looking a lot better now. Got her home, she's going for her exhaust later on, hopefully. But yeah, she's cleaning up. The hood's not cleaned yet for obvious reasons. Got the bed cleaned up. There's that other battery which is dead but under warranty somehow. Look that up later on. Bed's next. But she is looking a lot better. I tell you what. Vacuumed her up a bit. Seat's gonna be coming tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Tuesday probably. I got most of that grime off the dash. Oh, and her tachometer, what do you call damn thing? Our miles came back and then immediately quit. That's unfortunate. It was working. Angry kitten. But she's running smoothly. New oil. I gotta get that little cover right there. Work on that later. Maybe I'll get the AC compressor working. Tried that. But she's fully charged. It's not spinning. Key goes in here. Don't know how that works. Whatever. But yeah. She's coming a long way. Take off all the decals. I'm leaving 239 because, well, 239. Yeah, we'll do a lot more on her in the near future. Debating on doing a tailgate. We'll figure that out. But yeah, quick little snippet. Got my daughter in the car with me right now. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, I'm working on the truck for today. So I'm gonna spend the rest of it with my daughter right here, the little dinosaur. Currently watching Coco Melon. And, oh, shared the word. Coco Melon? No? Either way, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry for my lack of videos. It's been a busy time in my life. There's a one here, for one, and number 2's in the way. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Expect more from it in the future. If I'm stammering more than usual, I chipped a tooth, and my tongue keeps on hitting it and throwing off my speech. So you know how it goes. Either way, the cats are on their way, but work on a bench seat later on. And maybe a bed. Not sure. Might be trading for a Mustang soon, so we'll see. Either way, thanks for watching. Have a good one.